Hello and welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will talk about the importance of portfolio for admission in design courses. Candidates applying for design admissions often have to encounter a portfolio evaluation round where the creativity, aptitude, and skills are analyzed. Almost every other design institute in India, including the NIDs, do a portfolio review to select deserving applicants. Before finding out the importance of a portfolio in design admissions, let us first understand what a portfolio is. A portfolio is nothing but a medium to advertise yourself. It is as much about showcasing your research abilities, ideas, approach, methodology, and result as it is about the design skills. The portfolio opens a window for the jury to have a look at a collection of the best pieces of your work and judge you on the basis of your skills, experience, and potential. Now let us discuss the importance of a design portfolio for admission. With many students taking the same design course, it is important to understand the value a portfolio holds. The objective of a portfolio is to paint a picture in interviewer's mind of your overall potential. Candidates are advised to present a portfolio of the recent and best works not only to showcase their drawing skills but also to create an impact through the techniques, ideas, and the amount of research that has been done. Applicants need to differentiate themselves from others. The portfolio needs to be unique, creative, as well as organic. Instead of imitating the ideas of others, every candidate must try to depict his or her own unique style. If you are willing to compile a perfect portfolio to impress the jury, here are some important tips that must be kept in mind. Think outside the box and work on something that others might not be doing. A good portfolio will sum up your strengths and what kind of understanding you have of design, business communication, concept development, and problem solving. Put in a lot of research to come up with designs that you are passionate about. Looking at samples will help you ideate. However, creating something unique is the key. Focus on adding all the documents and requirements in the portfolio. Avoid going over the top and use as much creativity as you can. Do not make it bulky because portfolio reviews are not about the volume of work but about the quality of work. Keep it neat and minimal. Make sure that you include around 10 to 15 of your best works. You may include work that flaunts your awareness of various themes, social issues, colors, and designs. Try putting your best pieces at the beginning. It captivates the mind of the interviewers and has more chances of impressing them. Include a diverse range of media. It is an added advantage if your portfolio projects your versatility along with comfort with different tools, styles of design, and approach. Take note of the size of the font, the layout, and the loose structure of the portfolio. Many design schools may limit you and ask you to create a portfolio according to certain fixed criteria. All in all, a good portfolio for admission to Design Institute is about thorough research, good presentation skills, and the uniqueness of your art. As you work on your portfolio, make sure you put your thoughts into words. The main goal is to give an idea of your decision-making approach or who you are as a designer. If you are new to design, your portfolio may feel scattered, but as you begin to build your portfolio, see to it that it clearly portrays your interest and essence as a designer. There are multiple institutes that accept portfolios for design admissions in India. Some of the most popular ones are Satyam Fashion Institute, Noida, ARC College of Design and Business, Jaipur, Oro University, Surat, the University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. This was all about the importance of a portfolio for design admissions in India. If you have any queries, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. For more information on design admissions, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.